morning, friends. We are dealing with alternate dispute resolution. Alternate dispute resolution is an alternate to the judicial dispute resolution. The judicial dispute resolution is a formal one, and alternate is judicial dispute resolution. Why this alternate dispute resolution is having importance is the Constitution of India has guaranteed to the citizens of India country free access to the citizens without any discrimination as per the Constitution. The courts were established by the governments at different levels. The courts functioning at a hierarchy level, beginning from the trial court to the first appellate court, second appellate court, and second appellate court. After that, the special leave petitions can be filed. The trial courts, subordinate courts are judicial civil judge, senior civil judge, and district judge. And the constitutional courts are high courts and Supreme Court. The Supreme Court is the apex body. Once a litigation is cropped up, litigation means a dispute between contesting parties. Dispute may be relating to any legislations or any contractual obligations or relating to the relationships. For example, you may take the contractual disputes means it's relating to the commercial activity. On legislations, there may be disputes. So that is any dispute arising out on the statutes. So that is also a litigation where the government will be a party. A litigation relating to the individuals, maybe persons or maybe group of persons. So these litigations will be settled by the judicial adjudication system by the court through the court process now. Though the courts are established, it's overburdened and it's not capable of delivering the justice to all the needy people at appropriate time. So justice is delayed. Most of the people, they are vexed with the delaying in the court process. Keeping this trend in view, the entire country's worlds, they are looking forward to alternatives to the present system. The global activity has been increased. Trade is increased between the countries. When there is a contract between the states or nations or different countries, there is a scope for the difference of opinion, difference of their standings. Maybe relating to the factual side or maybe relating to the legal questions. So these are to be resolved without the relations are being strained. And as early as possible, these disputes are to be resolved. So the present system of court system, it is taking much time and it is creating a hurdle for the development of the society in the global activity. So for that purpose, the entire world has looked forward towards the alternate dispute resolution. Alternate dispute resolution, there are so many mechanisms. And we'll discuss about those mechanisms at a later stage. But as far as the present system is concerned, there is an Arbitration Conciliation Act, which is an old one. It's not new to our society. But even Arbitration Conciliation Act is also having some problems. To cross that hurdles also, Legal Services Authority Act has been enacted by our Parliament. After the enactment of the Legal Service Authority in India, the Lok Adalat system has functioned in a very good manner, and most lakhs of cases are being resolved through the process of the Lok Adalat. In the alternate dispute resolution system, parties resolve their disputes by themselves. So that is one of the major advantages. When a dispute is resolved through alternate dispute resolution. The relationship between the parties will have in same manner as if before the cropping up of the disputes. The relations will be continued. It's a less expensive and time-bound program, and it will be giving an access to all the people. So, what are the alternate dispute resolution modes and how will function? That we'll discuss it in the next class.